The National Electric Code changes continue to improve the safety of our electrical system and the people using the electrical system, even while we sleep. In this episode of The Power Grid, we will discuss the 2023 changes to the National Electric Code as it relates to surge protection for dwelling units and industrial control panels. These two changes to the code saves lives of unsuspecting users of our electrical system by protecting the potentially critical systems with surge protection. These changes make sense, and now you can listen to find out why. Hello and welcome to The Power Grid, the podcast that helps you build reliability in your electrical system and gives you confidence in your power system. I'm Brian Brannigan with Power Protection Products, where we have been solving power quality problems for almost 30 years. Imagine checking into a hotel, plugging in and hooking up your critical medical equipment, then falling asleep and never waking up again because a power surge in the middle of the night damaged the critical medical equipment, causing it to fail when you needed it the most. That's why in 2023, the National Electrical Code, Section 230.67, was changed in several ways to improve reliability in the electrical system, even while you sleep. There's also a section in the 2023 Electrical Code that addressed industrial control panels. Section 409.70 relates to safety circuits for personal protection, and it says that they shall have surge protection installed within the control panel or immediately adjacent to the control panel. So power circuit components, control circuits, or a combination should have surge protection on it. These things include motor controllers, relays, push buttons, indicator lights, and switches. If the function of the circuit is to inform people that power is on, then this should be protected from power surges. In the National Electric Code for 2020, in Article 230.67, surge protection was required for all dwelling unit services. This would require a Type 1 or a Type 2 surge protection device to be installed on the dwelling unit service. It could be integrated into the panel or adjacent to the panel. In 2023, this same section of the code was changed to include service entrances on dwelling units, dormitory units, guest rooms, hotel suites, even areas of nursing homes or limited care facilities, but also specifying the correct surge protection device required a nominal discharge current rating, or I sub n, of not less than 10 kA. In 2023, the National Electrical Code was changed in Section 409.70. Safety circuits for personal protection that are subject to damage from surge events shall also have surge protection installed within or immediately adjacent to the control panel. Industrial control panels are defined in Article 100 as power circuit components such as motor controllers, overload relays, fuse disconnect switches, and circuit breakers. Also, control circuit components such as push button, pilot lights, switches, timers, control relays are a combination of power and control circuit components. Safety circuits for personal protection is an extremely vast interpretation. Industrial panels with indicating lights is considered a safety circuit to the safe operation of the equipment. Therefore, virtually all industrial panels need some form of surge protection. The biggest thing to take away from today's episode are the two changes to the National Electrical Code in 2023. They're there to protect people by adding surge protection to the power circuits that we depend on for safety. Thank you for joining us today at the Power Grid. To learn more about surge protection and the National Electric Code, go to powerqualityuniversity.com or check out the links in the show notes.